536 pulling out. And here comes train number 5. The California Zephyr. Afternoon. Yes, sir. They pulled in right on time at 3:55. Good handful of people getting off in coach. Here in Martinez this afternoon. A little cloudy. Looks like it could rain, but I don't think it's gonna. Hey, what's up, Tom? Pretty good idea, bud.
I finally found the web page.
Oh, you did? On YouTube, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Right on, right on. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
It's cool. You know, it's fun to see it.
Yeah, I've always been a little the train buff, kind of like pretty much my whole life. And I've been on Amtrak a good handful of times, but I always look forward to the day you're my conductor.
Oh, right on, brother.
Right, it's good to see you, man.
Yeah, have a good day. I'll see you.
You too.
See you next time.
Right on. Have a good one, Tom. That's awesome. Tom's found my YouTube. Right on. Those gates don't go down until super late. See you next time. Nice. Conductor Tom watches my YouTube channel. That makes it all worthwhile right there. 3 sleepers, diner, lounge car, and 2 coach cars on the Zephyr. 2 coach cars. Almost to Emeryville. I don't have my scanner, so I'm going to go ahead and say it. UP detector milepost 3.1.4 track 1. No defects. Detector out.